I've seen those faces.
Hey everybody, and welcome back for another video. In today's video, we are going to be speed cleaning my kitchen and living room. It has gotten so out of hand and I don't really have an excuse for it other than the fact that I've been so lazy the past couple of days. And when that happens, the house becomes a disaster. So we are going to be tackling the kitchen first, and my dishwasher was already full of dirty dishes. So I had to do a lot of dishes by hand, so a lot of hand washing motivation in this video. And then I had to vacuum my living room and kitchen because there was cat hair everywhere. So if you are cleaning along with me, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I put out new cleaning videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and most importantly, I hope you enjoy.
Great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who.
You know the drama. You know the drama.
So it's probably pretty obvious that I hate washing dishes, which is why my sink looked the way that it did. I'm pretty good about putting stuff in the dishwasher and running it, but for some reason it just got so out of hand and it resulted in me having to wash all of these dishes by hand. And I know everyone has their favorite chore and their least favorite chore. And my favorite chore is actually vacuuming and mopping. And my least favorite chores are washing dishes and cleaning the bathroom. So I'm curious to know, what is your least favorite chore and what is your favorite chore?
will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're down below. This will be the last call. 20 minutes, you're down below. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video brought you tons of cleaning motivation. Let me know if you like these short speed clean with me videos. I know I find them very helpful to help me get at least one task done. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.